There is no one reason why the COVID-19 virus should have been particularly virulent in Latin America. Different governments have tackled it in different ways. Some, like Argentina and Peru, imposing strict lockdowns.
I keep insisting that we'll get back the 1 point of GDP that we lost. What we won't get back are the lives lost.
Others, like Brazil and Mexico, have been criticised for claiming too soon that the coronavirus has been defeated.
It's decreasing slowly, but we have no reports of outbreaks, which is good news in the context of this serious problem.
The numbers, however, keep rising. More than 800,000 infected in Colombia and Peru, 700,000 in Argentina, 76,000 dead in Mexico. An effective vaccine can't come a moment too soon.
This virus will continue to spread and people will continue to get sick even as a vaccine is being rolled out. So we cannot pin all our hope on vaccines alone. As is the case very often in public health, there are no silver bullets.
Among the hardest hit have been health workers, indigenous communities and those already living in vulnerable situations.
I was laid off work and the situation got really hard because I live with my 3 children and take care of them all by myself. There are days when we have to skip a meal because things are hard.
No one is immune. The presidents of Brazil, Bolivia, Honduras and Guatemala all tested positive for the virus. They all recovered. The pandemic has battered already fragile economies, and protests have grown across the region, demanding an easing of lockdown measures and a return to work.
It's good for the economy so that people have the opportunity to keep their businesses up and running, because that's important, but it doesn't mean we're out of danger amid the pandemic.
It's becoming clear that the pandemic has highlighted and exacerbated many of the systemic problems that existed across Latin America previously. Lack of investment in health and education, inequality and corruption. Many for now are simply battling for survival against the virus and the problems it brought with it. Schweimler, Jazeera, Buenos Aires.